Hi everyone, I'm Salka Bico from Group 5, and to continue our report on social marketing and social mobilization plan, hashtag Bridge the EduCap campaign, addressing SDG 4, I will be presenting part 3 of 6. The two parts will cover our social marketing and mobilization trust, partners, and stakeholders. The strategic direction of the hashtag Bridge the EduCup is to raise awareness on the learning crisis in the country and the problem of literacy, particularly how today's learners are deeply immersed in social media. Using various social marketing tools, the project hopes to bring knowledge using online platforms and cultivate sustainable learning through the involvement of our partners and stakeholders. The goal is to influence and see behavioral change by making them more engaged and interested in learning. The core benefits as we market and mobilize this program are to improve academic performance for children, to use portal for free in schools or at home through the help and support of our partners, to make learning available in school, barangay, or at home given the accessibility and government support, and to continuously campaign through messaging channels such as radio, television, and social media. On partners and stakeholders, this educational program hopes to engage with various stakeholders in partnership, particularly the Department of Education, to support the coordination and campaign endorsements, local government units to organize barangay activities for the campaign, and the barangay councils to do the grassroots implementation and local ordinances to support education and engagement with families. The community sector will also be tapped through their Sangguniang Kabataan who can lead the awareness drive. The project also aims to tap the support from the schools and educators, such as principals, administrators, and teachers, as well as the Parent Teachers Association or the PTAs. Lastly, a help from private sector shall also be needed, such as the local business corporations for their donations and support to technology access, and media partners, TV, radio, social media platforms, who will amplify the campaign messages and educational content. That ends the part 3 of our social marketing and mobilization program, hashtag Bridge the EduGap campaign. Thank you.